I've got a pretty interesting knife from Maxace. This is the Maxace Samurai. We have the pretty sweet looking K10 blade with the satin finish. K10 is D2 basically, for those of you who don't know. Then the scales are micarta with the steel liners, steel liner lock. This knife would be pretty freaking great, except that the thumb stud action absolutely sucks. The opening detent is just super stiff. It's painful on the thumb. I mean, it's not ideal. I mean, it's not absolutely terrible, but I wouldn't buy it, to be honest. Other than that, like, it would be a really cool knife, but it's a shame.